Alright, now we have two Inokom Permas. This one, and then that one lah. This one number lot 74, and this one 73. So from the outside and the exterior, for number 74, at the front looks complete. Just missing wiper, and then the front lamp is in good condition, but they have a missing side mirror lah. Left side mirror. Okay, from the side looks okay. Not mentioning any whether it's petrol or diesel, but I think this one is diesel. Oh, aduh, tight space, huh? Okay, the door is functioning. You can lock and then open it up. So you can see rusty. There's quite a rust over there, but a little rust will do no major harm. From the back side, okay, the bumper look intact, still there. This one can go further. This one, backlight looks okay. Okay, now broken glasses, the bumper, or this one, okay. This one we can cement lah. Cement. Okay, try to open. Alright. So what are we trying to see here is if this vehicle have any missing parts. So for now, this vehicle number 74 is quite okay. Just missing left side mirror and then wiper. That's all. For the back door, quite okay, still intact. This one, I don't know, like something is missing here, but I think it's not that important. So from the back side it's okay. Now we go see at the right side. Still intact, everything is still intact. Just this one we can cement later on. A bit rusty, never mind. It's a year 2000 vehicle, so no surprises. So we can touch it up. Okay, from the exterior is quite good, no major parts missing. Now from the inside, okay, let's start from the cockpit. Inokom dashboard is memang popular lah for its sturdiness, low sturdiness. So but this one is still okay, I think. A little bit of retak there. It's no major issue. Okay, this one, alright. Later we have to cover it up. If not covered, that will produce a lot of noise, engine noise. You can see there is no clutch pedal. I'm not sure if this is major problem or not. I think maybe we can get the spare parts from somewhere. Okay, kilometer is 113,000. Missing knob. This one okay. Oh, this one is for seat belt. Okay. So one of the reason I'm interested in Inokom is its height. Interior height is over 180 centimeter. So I can stand up properly in this van. Okay, everything's look good. This one we will copak later on if we if this purchase is going to be successful. We will copak all this thing. Alright, I think this model is good. Good enough for our purpose for campervan conversion. You can see the floor is already installed with steel floor. See, that is very good. Okay, now we go try to see the engine bay. This is how to open the engine hood. The tree is missing. The radiator is still here. Oh, this one, the top is already broken. Ayo. This one, what is this? Air filter, is it? Compressor. I think this one should be not a big problem. I think this one we can rotate only. I think we can just rotate now. I'm actually quite worried. Why is this belt sitting this model? I'm trying to look again if I can spot any missing parts. This one I'm not sure whether it's diesel or petrol engine. Okay lah. The engine bay is quite good. Just this broken pipes. I think this is not a major problem. We can use some kind of slot tape to fix that one. Alright. So basically this is the condition of Inokom number 74. So I need to close this up. Okay, on the back side we still have this in-house plug, so you can connect it to the plug inside your house, so to supply the electricity. Okay, next model, Inokom number 73. From the front side, wiper side mirror is intact. Just missing a little lamp here. This one is missing from this model. From this side, or this one still have. Okay. From the left side. Okay, this one is clearly a petrol. Number 73. The engine is using petrol, not diesel. Number 74, there's no any written words, So whether it's petrol or diesel, but I assume it is diesel. Okay, from the left side, quite okay. Back side, the bumper still there. The back lamp, rear lamp still intact. Bumper still intact. Back door can be opened up. I see. So the number 73 model, they're missing this kind of steel. This steel, this one can bantu to open the door lah, to open the back door. Okay, I see. If we don't have, okay, so right. But I think that one is not a big problem. Simple road like this, we can get from steel factory lah, from the right side. Right side, everything looks good. So just simple scratch. Okay, now we go look at the inside. Ayo. This is from the inside. Spare tire still here. Steel floor. The interior is quite the same like model 73. This is the cockpit. Oh, I see. This model do not have a radio. This was still intact lah. Looks good. This vehicle 16,000 km only. This is big difference from the 73 one. 73 is 113,000. 100,000 difference in mileage. This one have a pedal clutch, and then as usual we have to close it up. This model is quite 74. I think it's better than 73 lah. A little bit better lah from 73. Okay, alright. Okay, looks good for the inside. Now we check the engine bay. Aduh. Buka lagi. Ha? Boleh? Tengok engine. Ada. Aduh. Yang dua ni okey. Yang ujung sana dah rantai dah pecah. Alright. Engine bay. Main video ni. Boleh? Boleh. Missing battery, radiator, engine. Quite okay lah. You can see this part is quite still intact, not like 73 model. Okay. The only downside of this model is I think it is petrol. Petrol. I prefer diesel engine. Okay. The condition dia?
Ada enjin mana? Dua ni je?
Tiga ni ada enjin.
Itu dalam je.
Cuma dalam je lah. Okay, started raining. I need to find shelter first. Alright. So I've done the interior and exterior inspection of Inokom Permas model 73 and 74. Make an analysis lah about the difference between petrol and engine diesel. I need to see at the roof actually, but ayo, it's raining already lah. Ayah. You can see or not? Oh, okay. Aduh. Alright. I decided to bid for 74, but I think I want to put my deposit also on 73 in case the 74 model is too pricey, too expensive. Because of course other bidders also who interested in Inokom, we also choose 74. So I think I will bid for those two, 74 and 73. Alright, where is it? This one, 74, 73. Okay. I forgot to mention, now I'm at a Wangsa Maju police station. Wangsa police station. And this week is the week for the potential bidders vehicles. So you can come here, you can go see for yourself the vehicle that you want to bid. So for me, I'm interested in Inokom Permas. So then I can convert it to campervan lah. Okay, I think that's all for me. We'll see you again at the bidding day on 23rd March. Okay, bye bye. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, bye bye.